Things to consider when conducting a hotel advance. You ready? Let's go. Contact the housekeeping manager and schedule cleaning visits while your client is away on their itinerary away from the room. Always have a guard in the room while the cleaning is being done. Contact the hotel security director and go over the life safety procedures for that location. Also, get a security radio and assign it to a team member who is assigned to the hotel. That way they can monitor the hotel security activity and also make quick contact with hotel security when needed. Make contact with Valet Supervisor to see if you can get special parking for the security team vehicles. There's so much more to talk about on the procedures of advancing hotels, which should be in your advance report and included in your operational plan. Follow for more tips and information to enhance your security skill set.